Yes, ma'am, we may start.
Okay. So, well, Kanika, do you like flowers?
Yes, of course, I like flowers. I like to give and receive flowers because they tell us about how much closer, how much we mean to a person, how much it even describes our bonding with that person.
Okay. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose. It clearly describes us a simple. It clearly describes us a symbol of love and purity. The red and green color enhances love, while there are some other colors as well, like white rose, black rose. White rose even defines purity of heart. So, in conclusion, it defines about our bond and about our love towards that person.
Okay. So, what flowers have special meaning in your country?
Flowers are said to have a symbol of love. For example, rose. We give flowers to a person on occasions, like we give it to our mother on Mother's Day or on her birthdays. Even on wedding anniversaries, these flowers play a much significant role in describing about the love and the bond.
Okay. So, do you like to send flowers to others?
Yes, I like to send flowers as it comforts a person when in distress. It even reminds them that there is a person who constantly cares about them and who is constantly trying to put in efforts to keep in touch.
Okay. So, when was the last time you gave flowers to someone?
Uh, it was my mother's birthday when I gave her a beautiful artificial red rose. Being a nature's lover, I decided not to pluck it one from the garden, but buy an artificial rose and presented it to her.
Okay. Have you planted any flowers?
Not literally flowers, but I like gardening, and there are some plants which have been planted at my house, but they are not just flowers.
Okay. So, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, I like to have flowers in my home. They enhance the beauty of my home. They enhance the culture and working environment. It even attracts more. Uh, it even attracts more guests and even gives a good looking environment to the garden.
Okay. Where can people buy flowers in your hometown?
There are certain nurseries from where one can buy flowers and even pots uh, and plant pots for gardening. The one who is eager and keen about gardening buys it from that location and plants
Okay.
it at their home.
Okay. So,
Uh,
let's move ahead. Let's talk about your home. Can you describe the place where you live?
like in these questions, we have to uh, tell about where we live, like Chandigarh,
So
Punjab,
this is like part
like that.
one. This is like part one only. And you know the right regime for part one that you have to answer these questions in 2 to 3 lines. Okay?
Presently, I hail in Punjab. Uh, the one which is the one which is well known for farmers and their contributions uh, towards each one of us.
Okay. What kind of housing accommodation do you live in? Is it a house or it's a flat?
I live in a house since it is quite spacious and even one can build it as per its own needs and requirements and budget.
Okay. What's your favorite room in your house?
Well, I think these days each and every person have their own personal rooms, which are equally considered as to be their favorite rooms.
Okay. How the walls are decorated in that room?
The walls are out of 4 walls, the 3 walls are simply painted, while the fourth one shows creativity. It There are some wall hangings placed over there, and it even describes about the childhood experiences. About my childhood portraits are being presented over there, and even yes, it's about walls only.
Okay. So what can you see from the windows where you live?
Uh, just outside my house, adjacent to it, is a beautiful garden, so I can see a beautiful garden from my window, which is just admiring it each and every season and at each and every time, whether be it a morning sunrise time or late night, even the summers, the winters, the even in the even when it's raining, it's beautiful to admire it.
Okay. So do you prefer living in a house or a flat?
I prefer to live in a house since, first of all, it is spacious. Secondly, it is budget friendly.
Hmm.
Thirdly, it can be built as per own customizations.
Hmm.
Fourthly, there is no need of I mean, there everything is situated around it, like all the facilities, tutoring facilities, hospitals, markets, everything is situated just near to my house. So I think I would prefer to live in a house.
Okay. So what would you like to change in your house?
I would like to change my room, and I would like to give it a new transformation by giving out some of my creative skills, presenting over there, which would enhance my room, and it would even when we have guests are at place, or even some of my friends, it would even attract them to visit my room once and again.
Yeah. So what do you dislike about a house?
Just like a flat where we have a very small very a small portion, so cleaning becomes easier, but unlike a house which is spacious one, the cleaning becomes a effort which is required time and again, which is a continuous activity required by all the members of the house. So this is the thing I dislike, like
So
comparison.
that's the end of our part 1. That's it. So now let me tell you what were your mistakes. Though you were good, you were prompt with your answers, nothing as such. So just read this second question. That is, what is your favorite flower? I asked you about your favorite flower, but the things that you were explaining me was that red rose, red color depicts this, white color depicts this. You were actually depicting me the colors, but I didn't ask that. I was asking what is your favorite color, favorite flower. So that was somehow off topic. And after that, moving on to the second last question. Do you like to have flowers in your home? Okay. So you said, yes, I like to have flowers in the home. So as I've always mentioned, that try to paraphrase this question. You don't have to repeat the same question. If you're speaking this answer, if you're, you have to tell this answer, don't repeat the same line. Don't say, yes, I like flowers in my house. You just need to paraphrase it to some other sentence and then say it. Like you did that in most of the answers. So from next time you're giving the answer, please try to paraphrase it. Don't use the exact words that, yes, I like to have them, or whatever it's written in the question. Okay? Are you getting it? And after that, moving ahead, rest was fine in this case. Rest, the other thing was that the answers that you were given were in the air. So you need to look in front of your, in front. You need to have contact with your examiner and then give the answers. You don't have to look up and give the answers. Okay? And try to avoid that wali sound in between, that was like becoming a bit monotonous in between, because it was creating longer pauses. It's okay to have that voice because that's natural, but it should not show that you're lacking words or you're lacking vocabulary. So it should not show that. Okay. And moving ahead, the very first question that I asked you was, can you describe the place where you live? So you said, I hail to Punjab. No, that's not the correct English. You have to use the word, I hail from Punjab. Okay.
From
Hail from Punjab. It's always hailing from. It's not all, it's never hailing to, it's hailed from. And then this third answer, that what's your favorite room in your house? This answer was off topic that you gave. You need to mention exactly that which is your favorite room in your house. You cannot say, because the answer that you gave was related to everyone's perspective. You said that everyone likes to have house, loves their own room. That is about everyone. They are not asking about everyone. They're asking what is your favorite room in your house. So you need to be precise. You need to be exact with the question that is being asked to. Okay. So you need to answer what is your favorite house. You can't say everyone likes this or whatever. Be precise. Say what is your favorite room or house. And then moving ahead to one answer in which is yes.
Here we have to tell about room only, like which is our favorite room, or we can even tell about that kitchen or balcony.
Favorite room, basically, yeah, not balcony over here really. You can yes, you can talk about kitchen over here, but not really balcony, because they're asking room, right? That's why. Okay. And the other answer that you gave was the answer in which you were saying firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly. Don't use these words. I would suggest you that don't answer it in the form of firstly, secondly, thirdly, and fourthly. What you can use is, you can say that there are few things or few aspects that I would like to mention, such as these, and these. Don't use firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly. It becomes monotonous, and it doesn't look nice. It is not going to have a good impression. So instead of that, you can use connectors. If you want to add to it, if you have spoken one line, if you've spoken one point, if you want to add to it, you can add in addition to that or something like that, and try to avoid this. And the other thing that I wish to add is that instead of using the word like, you were using the word like, try to use the word such as. Okay? Synonymize like with such as. And the major mistake which was there in the whole part one was that you were using these exact lines that were mentioned in the question. So don't use these exact lines. Always try to paraphrase these lines and then try to give the question. For example, if they're saying like, yeah, do you prefer living in a house or a flat? So don't say I'll prefer living in a house or flat. Try to paraphrase it and then try to give your answer. Am I clear? That's it. So that's it for today. That's all we're going to practice for our part one, and we'll see tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Anything else that you wish to ask?
No, ma'am. Yes, one thing for sure. I would surely be thankful to Harsh, your friend who has recommended me.
I am not able to understand you. Can you please repeat?
I'm saying I would be thankful to Harsh who has recommended me your classes.
Okay. May I know her name? Who told you?
Harsh, your friend.
Okay, Harsh. All right. Okay.
She is my junior, so.
Yeah, I was talking to her the other day. She told me, but I